Hello spice enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. Today we are turning up the heat with a spicy twist on the classic Mirchi Bajji. Get ready for cut Mirchi Bajji. These are not just bites, they are little flavor bombs. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey. Let's dive into the world of cut Mirchi Bajji. Let's get our crispy batter done. In a mixing bowl, combine basin, turmeric, chili powder, salt, hing, cumin and ajwain. Gradually add water and whisk it into a smooth batter. Make sure the batter is thick enough to coat our stuffed mirchi like a spicy blanket, and then add a pinch of baking soda and give it a good mix and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now comes the fun part. Let's do the filling. In a mixing bowl, combine coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, ajwain and salt and mix them all together. Clean the green mirchis and cut them into half and then make a vertical cut along one side. This is where the spicy adventures begin. Stuff each chilies with the spice filling. Seal them back up. Our flavorful packet chili are ready. Heat oil in a pan. Make sure it's hot but not smoky. Gently slide our batter coated stuffed mirchi into hot oil. Fry them until they turn golden brown. Once they are cold, cut them into bite size and fry them again for 2 to 3 minutes. As our cut mirchi bhaji achieves crispy perfection, let's bring them out and let them drain any excess oil. Now, in a mixing bowl, combine onion, carrot with the masalas that are mentioned in the description. Arrange those beautiful cut mirchi bhajis on the plate and top it with carrot and onion mix with some sweet chutney and chili chutney and a squeeze lemon juice. These bites are not just a feast for your taste bud but also a sight to behold. And now for the grand finale, garnish with some sage. You can also enjoy your mirchi bhaji in this way. For this, make a vertical cut on the fried mirchi bhajis, then fill it with the carrot and onion mix, then top it with some sweet chutney, chili chutney and sage. And there you have it, the crunchy from the batter and the crispy from the chilies and the filling. It's a spicy party in your mouth. Thank you for joining us on this cut mirchi bhaji adventures. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more spicy bites and let us know in the comments if you tried making these flavor bombs. Until next time, happy snacking.